Hi everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how to transfer from Robinhood. First things first, you want to open the Robinhood app, then you want to navigate to your profile by tapping on the tab in the bottom right corner. In here, open the menu in the top left corner, tap on Transfers, then look for Withdrawable Cash to confirm your available funds. Also, you want to ensure that your bank account is linked to Robinhood. Then just tap on Transfer Money from Brokerage. Then choose your bank account from the options. Then just enter the withdrawal amount, for example, $20, $10, or etc. After that, just tap on Review, then confirm the amount and details on your screen. Tap on Transfer, then confirm the transfer details. Then, you want to tap on Continue. Lastly, your withdrawal has been initiated, and it may take up to 5 business days to complete. The withdrawable cash will be updated to reflect the withdrawal the withdrawable cash will be updated to reflect the withdrawal on your chosen bank account. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.